Wait.
Yeah?
I just went to the door and I found this.
Whoa,
What is this? I have no idea what this is.
Is it like a toy?
I don't know. It says Abercrombie. Okay, let's open it and let's see what it is. Oh, we opened it. Can we?
I see something pink.
You're right. It's Abercrombie clothes.
Whoa!
Let me get everything out, okay, sis?
Okay.
Can we get everything out? I want to be gentle not to break them. Mommy, did you buy these?
I don't know. Maybe your dad ordered
I
something.
don't know. I will ask Dad
Just a
later.
surprise. Like, just open everything. See
Wow,
what's in here.
it's all say Abercrombie and they all look like it's for kids.
Yep.
Oh my gosh. Let me get everything out of the bag, sis. Goodness, how many is there? Oh my god, they're twins.
It is?
Yeah, they're twins.
Wow.
Me and my sister can have the same thing. So many things. How much more? Oh my god, this is like twins! Twins! Oh my god, more twins! Oh my god. Okay, there's so much more. Okay, I think there's one more in here. Yeah, I think this is the last one. Let me check. And we got some kind of paper. There's nothing else. Oh, let's got twins. I know, we got a lot of twins. So,
Show me what you get in
all
there.
right, so I'm going to show you. So, this one says Abercrombie and there's another one. So, that must mean this is for me and my sister.
Look, we even
Okay.
have another sequin butterfly.
Yeah, this is a sequin, a flip sequin twins butterfly. Oh, this is my size, 9 to 10. Ooh, it's something blue. Wonder what it is. This is, oh, it says USA, right? Yeah, USA. I wonder who this is for. This is also mine.
This is for Ali.
Yeah, this says 5 to 6. I
Yes,
think.
that's for her.
And then we
Because the
have,
summer coming soon, so we have lots of...
and we have
short
this one
sleeve.
too. And we have this one.
Yeah. Their collection is really good and soft. So
Yeah, their
we just-
collection is really soft and good. And I'm actually wearing one Abercrombie outfit right now, and it's so comfy.
Yeah, you have most of the...
So we got some for our sister. And you know how to open them? I'm gonna help you. And let's take a closer look at the butterfly.
Oh, that's how you open it?
Like, here, I got yours.
Wow, it's beautiful.
And it's sequin. Look, you can color change. See, it's color change.
Let me see.
Wow. Let's see all
Yeah,
the.
because she always fight with you.
Yeah, so
we just
we got
got
twins.
same thing.
So this is
for you.
1892. So I guess Abercrombie opened in 1892 or something. And it says Abercrombie and Fitch. Cool. I like this a lot, right? All right.
I want to see that also.
Oh my gosh.
What is it?
It's so soft. Oh, I got butterflies. Wow, we got a lot of butterfly stuff. All right.
Yeah, you like butterfly.
Yes,
That's
I
what-
love butterflies.
I tried to catch it at summertime. I was trying to catch a butterfly because I saw one.
Yeah, let's open. And whose is this? Oh, this is Ali. All right, this is your sister. How do I open? Oh, this way. Ali, look at yours.
Wow.
It's a flower.
Wow! Look, I even have a pocket.
Oh, yeah, it matches because butterfly flower.
Wow! Can we open these ones?
Okay, let's do another twin. Another twin time.
Is that mine?
Let me check the size. Mine. Okay, I'm gonna open
I
this.
thought I opened mine.
Okay. Now
I got it. I got it.
Oh, let's take a look. Look at this long sleeve. Oh, wow. Oh, there's... Oh, they give you a free scrunchie. Oh, they literally gave you a free scrunchie. Look at this.
Look at mine.
Take a look. It has Abercrombie and some golden flowers.
They actually give you a scrunchie.
I know, they give you a free scrunchie. That's really cool. I like it. Let's put it here. So now let's put the bags here.
Can we open these ones?
Let's do a different twin.
Wait, these ones.
These both are USA. Let's open one that is not a twin, okay? All right, let's open this. Let's get this open here. Okay, let's open this. Let's see. something right here. And this is Abercrombie and Fitch and golden letter.
Can we open twins?
Let's save the best one for last, okay? This one or this one? Let's go for this one. This one is mine again.
Probably this one is mine.
Yeah, that's... Alright, let's continue. Oh, got it. Okay. Oh, this is another super soft one. Oh my goodness, let's see. Is this a long sleeve? Oh my god, this might be my favorite. This is the softest with polka dots. Oh, I feel like this is my bear. Oh my god, take a look at the polka dots. And it has the Abercrombie, I guess, horse or something.
Oh, so fluffy.
Yes, it's so fluffy.
And then this one. Is it mine?
Yes, I don't know. Let me check this size. This size is mine. Let's take a look at mine. Wow.
Wow, it looks it.
Yes, it says Abercrombie and Fitch, and this is kind of
Yeah.
cute. No, it's just like a holographic horse.
Yeah.
Oh dear, it's a deer. Oh. Now it's time for the best
I'm
one.
definitely wearing this at summertime.
USA.
USA.
Abercrombie and Fitch. This is mine. So I'm gonna open this.
I'm gonna open mine.
Oh yeah, I want to. Here. Oh, hold on. Open it. Oh, look at that! Wow. Ooh, it's so
Look at this America.
Yeah, wait, there is. Oh yeah, on the back they have an American flag, and it says USA. Woohoo!
That's where we live.
Yeah, we live in the USA. And it says USA, Abercrombie and Fitch.
I took the time.
Yeah. Now let's count them. How many there is? There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Wow, there's 11 clothes. Wow. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to watch more unboxing and fun and educational videos, please subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you'll always get a notification when we upload fun and educational videos. Bye!